Alright, so we have this Oster brand iron. The complaint I get, it's not working. This is defective, as you can see right here. Alright, this is the hertz, the volt, and the wattage right there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to use my multimeter and show you how you can test it. Alright, as you can see, the multimeter is there and it's on beat mode. Alright, put one lead here, one lead here. Don't let it touch, and you turn the knob. Supposed to hear something, but it does not. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we are going to remove this cap here to expose the screw. Alright, I'm going to show you just like that. Alright, and there's a Phillips. Alright, so the Phillips screw has been removed. Now we are going to open it up just like that and expose the wires. So what we're going to do, we're going to check from here to here to see if there's any continuity in the card or if there's any breakage or open circuit. So let's get to that. Alright, so the meter is on beat mode already. Alright, take one lead, put it here, take the blue leg here, getting nothing there. Not getting nothing. Alright, from here, getting a reading. I'm not getting any reading here. Check it again. Not getting no reading. Alright, so we're going to find where the breakage is. Alright, so what I found, you can see right here, it is shaking. So this could be a bad plug right here. So we're going to unscrew this here. Unscrew. Alright. Unscrew. You can see the wire is okay. No, this is a black spot. You can see right at the joint it damaged. So we're going to check that. Alright. So peel it some more. Alright, so what I'm going to actually do, I'm going to use the meter probes right here. Alright, individually stick them right in there. We'll go further, stick them right in there. Two different wires, stick them right there and turn it. Alright, see? So this is telling me that the thermal fuse, the thermostat and the element is good. It's just that this leg here, which is a neutral leg, is defective. Right, so we're going to re-terminate that, fix it, and also repair this. Alright, clip one end. Open it, take this out, and we're going to re-terminate this, but we're going to cut this one to the same length to prevent this gap. Alright, so I have re-terminated these. pins. So now I'm going to put the meter lead here, and you can watch the meter while I turn the knob. See that? Turn it on again. Alright, so that section is repaired. So it's just because we lose a neutral. You can see, hold on, see if I can focus this. Yes, see, just a bad. Alright, so the next problem we're going to move on to is this section here, that defective. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these two screws here. Alright, see if any screw is here. Nope. And then we're going to prise this up and try and repair it. Alright, if needs be, if it can't be repaired, we'll just swap it with this one. Alright, so once the screw is removed, this came off, but you have to remove this first in order to come off, because it has to come off of this. So you have to remove this first. Alright, once you remove the two screws at the back. Alright, so as you can see here, this has broken. So what I'm going to do now, to get to this, we'll have to remove two screws here. We have to remove the indicator bulb here. Alright, we have to remove this knob here. Right, just that, to get to this, because to take this out, it's going to a narrow space. So we're just going to remove these two screws here and the indicator bulb and the knob, just to replace this. Alright, the knob is removed. You have to remove two more screws here. Alright, so I'm going to carefully remove this with the spring. This is what go against here to create that sound when the knob is turning, so I can't lose that. So just going to remove these two screws, and that is okay. Alright, so you can see, look like this person dropped the iron, so why hence this damage. And if you notice, this is cracked, so it up there. So what I'm going to do is going to use a crazy glue this part, but I'm not going to crazy glue this because you're going to move this up, so you're going to create a strain on it. So I'm just going to replace the whole thing and done this piece here, but this will be crazy glue right here. This piece that breaks off will be crazy glue. Alright, I was thinking of changing the complete thing, but since I'm just going to screw this part, right, so not much stress will be on this, but on this section, so I'm just going to replace this. Alright, so I'm just going to crazy glue this piece and let you see, and replace this section. Alright, so I was trying to use the crazy glue to crazy glue this back to it, but I guess the type of material doesn't allow the glue to bond. I get what I'm saying. This is also the glue that I'm using. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this complete unit, right, but the difference between this and this is the same brand, but this one you can spray out the water, this doesn't, but it has the capability to add this to it. Alright, so as you can see, it has this part you can press, and this doesn't. What I'm planning to do is use this housing that allow this knob to come through here, use this one instead of used by the original one. Alright, so I'm just going to do that and see how that works. Alright, so stay tuned for that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove one 2, 3, 4 screw here to take off this reservoir. Alright, and to add this. Alright, before I screw it up, I'm gonna show you it's the same setup. So just gonna put it on it right there, just like that. Alright, and screw it up. Alright, so you can see, and then we're just gonna put it over and fit it down, and we have all the other parts to go with it. Alright, including this piece. Alright, so we're gonna let you see the transformation of this iron from green to orange. Alright, so you can see everything was put back together. The screws, you can see the knob here. This is where the indicator bulb is going. Alright, all the screws there. Alright, so I'm going to put back this piece now, right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a tweezer and place it right here nicely, and then I'm going to put this on. Alright, you have to make sure there's a groove right here on this black piece. You have to make sure so this line up with it, and this lines up, these orange piece line up with this center piece. Alright, so just like this, just like that. Alright, this is working, fully function. Alright, so now I'm going to put the indicator bulb back in rightful place and add the covers. Alright, fully transformation, put on this cover now. Just like that. So remember, one screw must go there, 2 screw here, and we're going to add this cover now. Just like that. Alright, so we're going to add 2 screw here. Alright, as you can see, everything is put. So we're going to just like that. Alright, so I didn't know so everything, so this would have to come off right, because the fact that I have to change out the water tank and everything else, so this would have to come off. Alright, so I have it here, so I'm just going to disconnect back disconnect it and add this back cover just to complete it. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so as you can see, alright, everything put back. Alright, have to put back to match everything so you can have the aesthetics. Alright, so now the final piece. Alright, final piece. Hold on. Alright, so you can see everything is put back together. Alright, connect the meter lead there. Alright, as you can see, I'm going to turn the knob. Alright, there we go. Meter iron is working. Alright, so basically we change out all of these parts, all of them, because if this was able to burn, I could have done something like retrofit this with the other one, but because of that I just change out everything. Alright, so if you like this video, let me know in the comment section, right, what you think of this transformation. Right, so please remember to subscribe. Alright, leave a comment section down below as well.